You know, earlier it was to have sex was like, oh my god, now I am with this person for life because I've, you know, had sex with this person. People are not taking it so seriously in the current times.
एक जमाना था जब बात होती थी प्यारी मोहब्बत की. Now we're talking about साली मोहब्बत.
Yeah, good.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
I think her luck, you know, she has reached so.
That's so bad.
It's
I like good
yeah, no, we have a vibe that way. कमरे में जाते हुए ऐसे बोलते हैं सुना कि क्यों why is he so good, why is he so good? And you know, I was like, Radhika, it's okay, yaar. I mean, we have to do the scene together.
Yeah, of
If
course.
you want, I'll just bring my game down a little if that needs to. Really is fascinating about this is that how aware people are about this emotion of love.
Yeah.
Like we always talk about when you are in love, they're not in.
outside.
They are on, at,
That's
or
like,
whatever.
That's like social media though, right?
Yeah.
Casting influencers based on the followers, so they are also not actors. So that is, you know, again.
And the times they are
A
changing, my friend. Yeah, it's such a dumb thing to do.
Hello everyone, you're watching us on Bollywood Live Z Media. This is Gaurika and today I am joined by supremely talented people, the ensemble cast. Hi, welcome to our channel. How's life treating you all?
Thank you so much.
you.
So
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you
Thank
for
you
that.
for having
yeah.
us.
Yeah, so एक ज़माना था जब बात होती थी प्यारी मोहब्बत की. Now we're talking about साली मोहब्बत. So we want to know what was the vision and what was the idea from.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
आप ही की है ये साली मोहब्बत, आप बताइए.
Mohabbat can cause a lot of takleef also, no?
Yeah.
And it's not always clad in the most in the way that we show it in the movies ke, you know, pahadon mein or you
वो
know,
दीवानगी,
ऐसा,
शिद्दत and all
and
these things
all
are
of
not
that.
for real.
Sometimes it can be soul destroying,
Hmm.
and yet foolish as we are, we seek it again, and
Yeah.
we find it
Hmm.
again, and we do whatever we do with love.
Yeah.
So I think I like the idea of the complexity of emotion, and all the characters in the film are all absolutely wicked. There's nobody who's one-layered, simple, one-dimensional. They're all grey,
Yeah.
and I think that's the Sali part of it.
So also, you know, it has received a lot of love from all over the world. Actually, IFFI में भी recognition हुआ.
Yeah.
And कल भी screening हुई, I've heard and
You
I've
know, Iffi's
read the
screening
comments
was
also.
amazing.
Was it?
Yeah.
People really loved it there,
I wish I was there.
and especially my performance. They only talked about that. Yeah.
So what was
did
the
you
best
think?
review
Wow,
you heard?
Divyendu.
Divyendu only.
I like it.
So what was the best review you heard from IFFI, like from the people who watched there?
Devendra Sharma gives yet
It's
another
yeah,
Yet
thrilling
another-
performance.
ordinary performance.
So everyone was like, I think most people were very astonished with the whole fact that they didn't expect this kind of layering
Right, okay.
Yeah.
from the film.
Mm.
That it was very unexpected, and you know, it just punch in the gut. Someone said that and stuff like that.
Yeah.
They were
So-
not expecting it.
Yeah. So also nowadays it's like failed relationships, benching, and so many terms coming in. Do you think that love has taken a back
What is
seat?
Hmm.
Benching, like it's a bench, so two people are on the same
Hmm.
bench. It's like you have a plan B. So if
Oh.
you know one goes, then another is there.
Oh.
So I mean, see, प्यार
the
कितना
only-
ज़्यादा it's
but I
साली
tell you
मोहब्बत
the-
nowadays.
But I tell you, the only thing which really is fascinating about this is that how aware people are
Mm.
about this emotion of love.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like we always talk about when you are in love, they're not in.
Outside.
They are on, at,
That's
or
like,
whatever.
That's like social media though, right?
Yeah.
That's the
There's
same
objectivity for an
perspective.
emotion.
Exactly. Yeah. Detached. That's. Yeah. Yeah. You're just
You know,
watching it.
It's amazing.
From a weird. Yeah,
But love has
perspective.
taken a back step, you know, back
Yeah.
seat. So what do you have to say about that? कि आज के ज़माने में do you think कि प्यार सिर्फ नाम के लिए है, लोग कर भी नहीं, मतलब कर नहीं
यार,
रहे?
कर
What is
तो
it?
रहे हैं. देखो ऐसी
नहीं,
बात
ऐसा
नहीं है.
नहीं
I
है.
think वो उसका ना डेफिनेशन बदल गया है.
Hmm.
जो लोग बेंचेंगे वो भी कह रहे हैं मे बी देखो पहले शायद ये भी होता था आपने एक को हाँ बोल दिया अब आप उसके लिए ही क्योंकि आपने हाँ बोला है आप निभाते जा रहे हैं मे बी नाउ दे वांट टू टेक देयर ओन टाइम एंड डिसाइड कि मुझे क्या करना है कैसे करना है इसी इंसान के साथ आगे जाना है कि नहीं इट कुड बी अबाउट ऑप्शंस आल्सो सी it has to change with time is what I believe in. Yeah, if you're consciously doing something, playing with someone's heart or emotion, that's not a right thing to do.
Yeah.
But if you're taking your time in deciding, that's okay. That's okay according to me.
I think these things existed always, right?
Yeah.
People were always
But
the
now
same.
they're more open.
No, yeah, I think
While
they're
they're
more
talking.
open, but I think value systems are shifting.
Yeah.
I think somewhere, and at least for the sake of being there. I mean, I'm not saying that they were always there and followed, but at least there was a sake of decor. Like there was a idea of culture or system of certain things, and I think now maybe it's shifting or something. But
this is involvement of social media.
Social media
has
yeah.
made everything look really ugly now.
Yeah.
But things have always been, I'm sure things were always
Yeah.
the same, right? Like, I remember my grandparents also cheating on each other. I mean, not my grandparents, their generation must have done, no?
Yeah.
I mean,
Like
always
पहले भी
people
लोग
But I
दो
think
दो
we're
शादियां एक गांव
normalizing
में
it
एक
now.
शहर में
Exactly.
they used to do that, right?
I know the other day
I think the other thing is that people have got names for things.
Yeah.
No, exactly.
know?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's like
Term-
okay,
term.
ghosting, benching,
It's become a fancy
this.
thing,
So
but-
it's everything's got nomenclature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which earlier I think it was just वो हो रहा था तो वो हो रहा था. The other thing is that sex isn't the currency that it used to be. Earlier it was to have sex was like, oh my God, now I am with this person for life because I've, had sex with this person. People are not taking it so seriously in the current times. So, it's like, okay, you hooked up with somebody and then you're, unless you've said otherwise and said, okay, because I've hooked up with you and then my expectation is this and this, it could just be for that night or for that month or for that year or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily that the outcome of having a sexual interaction with somebody means that you are in a committed relationship, which was earlier not the case.
And now the term is fling.
Fling has always been there.
always been there.
Yeah.
The
Even in England, I think I've heard it's called something. I don't know. It's not called a booty call at all. It's called something else. Apparently, this new generation they don't like to go out and drink because drinking. is
Yeah,
bad
right.
on
It has
They
reduced
go and have
considerably.
sex. So they go and have sex with different people, but not drink. I was like, please guys, go drink. No? Like, drinking is not that bad. I mean, I'm not promoting alcohol, but things are changing so
Yeah.
fast.
Yes.
To grasp the. Yeah.
So also talking about the producer Manish Malhotra, why is he not on the screen? कभी ऐसी discussion नहीं हुई that why is he not on the screen? Why is he behind the screen? He
See, I
should
tell
be
you,
acting,
That's exactly we have to talk about acting per se.
Yeah.
That if you look a certain way, that doesn't make you an actor.
Yeah.
We should take this moment to tell people that because you look good, handsome, whatever, you shouldn't consider yourself being an actor. It's a completely different craft. You have to be trained for it, not just look a certain way and expect to, come and do. Then you'll only be embarrassing yourself on screen.
But also there's one more thing. Nowadays, like people are casting influencers based on the followers. So they are also not actors. So that is, again.
And the times they are
Are
changing, my friend. Yeah, it's such a dumb thing to do. It's not even guaranteeing success or numbers or anything.
Yeah.
They're just, dumb people doing dumb things. What else?
So also one thing you would want to steal from your co-star.
Steal.
Steal one habit of hers or maybe one thing which she
I
has.
want to steal his Hindi.
I'll
My
share
Hindi
it.
is so bad, yeah. It's terrible. You know it.
No.
Terrible.
No,
Please.
You did very good.
Please.
What do you want to steal from her?
राधिका के बारे में
कुछ है
काफी
ही
सारी
नहीं ना।
चीजें हैं. नहीं
तुम
है.
steal कर
नहीं,
देना है।
definitely है.
अच्छा.
I think her luck, she has reached so
That's so bad.
Good one.
It's,
I like that. Good
yeah,
one.
no, I know. We have a vibe that way. No, but her thing of saying express herself.
Hmm.
You know, if she's not comfortable in raising her voice
Yeah.
in her own way, is something that I really appreciate, and not steal from you. I don't ever want to steal it from you, but yeah, share it.
You also have
Maybe, yeah. No, but you all. I mean, again, I don't want to. I mean, generalize it, but as a woman, if you have that kind of voice,
Hmm.
it's really inspiring.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Also, you know, talking about the sets, तो वहाँ कैसा माहौल था? Was it like serious or you know mixed?
When he came,
And-
it got very funny. Isn't it true? When he arrived, it was
Yeah?
very funny because we used to laugh at you all the time.
You guys
With
used to
you.
laugh at him.
With you.
With
little
him.
bit Ash,
Jealous.
Ash, a little
Jealous.
bit Ash.
मैंने एक दिन उसे कमरे में जाते हुए ऐसे बोलते हुए सुना कि क्यों ये why is he so good, why is he so good, and you know I was like, then Radhika, it's okay yaar. I mean we have to do the scene together.
Yeah, of
If
course.
you want, I'll just bring my game down a little if that makes you happy.
So were there any creative differences, you know, while shooting
This
The
only.
sequence. this
And
only?
she wanted me to be less creative.
Oh God! No, I want to know from you. I think she'll be honest with us.
I'm not getting in the middle of this. And honesty is not my strong suit. I'm a fiction writer, as you would know. So it's not my thing, to be honest. I think they're better.
No, there was absolutely no
It was very
tension
easy
or
set,
yeah, it's a
actually.
very easy breezy.
Really
yeah.
easy set.
Yeah.
I didn't throw a single chappal.
No, she didn't throw a
I
single
wanted
chappal.
to.
She was very calm and very composed. You really were.
Because she has
Yeah.
been on the
I
other
don't remember
side and
once
she
you lost
knows
temper
how it
or
goes.
anything or nothing. Nobody lost temper on set.
Because I had said one thing. One thing I was very clear. Just because you're in a high pressure job, you know, directing a film is another animal, which I realized while I was directing it. There's constant firefighting. I wasn't
that.
aware to that level of firefighting. So
But a lot of credit goes to Louisa.
a lot.
She handled everything. She was
Very
like,
well.
she handled it so well, very calm, very nice, and
Very seasoned. She
Very
is
so
seasoned,
lovely.
very seasoned, and also the energy flowed from Manish, and you know, it
Yeah.
was a
Collaborative
well-fed,
effort, yeah.
well-fed, well looked after, things on time. People were taken care
The
of.
thing is, when people, the captain of the ship, which is you and Manish, when people don't have egos,
Hmm.
things go very nicely and
Simple,
smooth.
yeah.
They
Yeah.
both are like no ego. They're doing that for the love of the project.
Mm.
So it's very easy.
And we were
very
thankfully
nice.
all were on the same page.
Yeah, yeah.
I think
You
the
know?
script kind of was in everyone's system.
Yeah.
I got that feeling that, you know, everyone kind of, I got this learning from Amir when I was doing Tare Zameen Par, that very often I had a feeling that if someone from outer space is looking at our unit, they might think that this is one animal that is moving at the same time, 150, 200 people. I thought, how does this man achieve this? Because he was directing for the first time and he's an actor. So I saw that he called everyone, from the spot boy to makeup, hair, costume, production, everyone who was on the film, and did a reading for them. So
Wow.
everybody knew आज वो वाला scene shoot कर रहे हैं, आज ये वाला scene shoot कर रहे हैं. So then everyone is, and also everyone had his ear. So he would say, you know, कि ठीक है, हाँ लग रहा है, हाँ. Somebody would come and say कि sir ये ऐसा, हाँ करते हैं. So he would take everyone's feedback, and as a result, it was one person, many bodies, but one life moving through that. So that was somewhere my ambition was that कि सब एक mind से करें तो बहुत अच्छे से बन जाएगी film. I don't know if we succeeded to that level, but thoda bahut I think we did.
Nice analogy this is.
Yeah, this
Very,
is
yeah.
The animal thing.
yeah, it's like one thing, because otherwise if everyone's everyone's a thinking being and everyone's going to think their own thoughts.
Yeah.
So you have to bring everyone with one narration to the same page. So they know today we're doing page number 26
Yeah.
scene 4.
No, thankfully we were all making a same film. You know,
Yeah,
सबका
yeah.
वरना अलग-अलग set
अलग-अलग,
पे कभी हो
yeah,
जाता
yeah,
है, कोई
yeah.
लोग अलग film बनाते हैं.
So also, we want your suggestions for our viewers कि OTT पर top 3 shows they should definitely watch. So,
Sali Mohabbat.
number 1.
Shows.
Series, movies.
They can see
Acha,
it. They
ठीक.
can see it 5 times.
हाँ.
Sali
Binge.
Mohabbat. मैंने बोला एक.
I would say this show Ted Lasso. बहुत अच्छा शो है, बहुत अच्छा शो है. Everyone should watch it.
I have a huge list. I watch avidly. I'm all-time, like I would be in the die-hard fan club of Breaking Bad, Fargo season 1, True Detective season 1, Better Call Saul.
So many suggestions.
So many, and Patal Lok and Mirzapur.
Of course,
Yeah, absolutely, and so many things that I've really enjoyed.
So one last message you have for our viewers that what they can really expect from Sally Mohabbat.
I don't think this is right to sort of go with expectations when you go watch a film. I think the beauty of art is go with an open heart, see whatever it is that you have to interpret and take.
It gives you thrill, suspense,
I don't
drama.
know, hopefully, let's see.
And so many surprises.
Yeah.
So do watch it with your friends and family. Also, what would be your message? We are eager to know.
I mean, I don't know, plant more trees. And, you know, it's yeah.
Yes. And one last thing that you have to say.
Watch it and tell your friends.
Yeah, super. And do review it and let us know your reviews in the comment section. Thank you so much.